Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you on board with us in Serbia, so we will be going through country-specific information such as proof of work, mandatory local information tax ID number, employment agreement signing vetting, salary in the employment agreement, and paid time off. Proof of work. In order to work in Serbia, we must confirm work eligibility. If you are a Serbian citizen, for this purpose we will need only your national ID in PDF form using a card reader. If you are a foreign citizen, we will need you to upload your passport with a scanned page with your residency permit and personal work permit issued by the National Employment Service of Serbia. Mandatory local information. In order to provide mandatory local information, you may require to have your national ID close to you. Your YMBG number is the same as your tax ID number, and it is shown on your national ID as well as your official residency address. If you're a foreign citizen with approved residence in Serbia, you will have your EBS number written on the residency permit. Employment agreement signing vetting. In Serbia, all employment-related documents must be signed by a handwritten signature in blue ink or official digital signature issued by the government. After all steps have been completed in the app, meaning that all compliance documents have been uploaded and the employment agreement in-app has been signed, we will deliver the hard copy of the employment agreement to your address. Once it is delivered, it will include the guide with explained steps of actions that should be taken from your end. The address we will be using for delivery is the one provided by your end as the address of residency for delivery of employment agreement. If your start date is far in the future, please do not worry, as the hard copy will be delivered in a timely manner considering the employment start date. Salary. The salary shown in employment agreement is the monthly gross salary. The monthly gross salary corresponds to the Serbian term Bruto 1, Bruto 1. This means that the salary included in the employment agreement consists of the net salary summed up with taxes and contributions from the employee side. Pay time off. Based on an internal act company rulebook, the maximum allowed number of paid time off days is 25 days annually. Days of paid time off are being accrued on a monthly basis after 1 month of employment, meaning that days of annual leave are prorated based on employment duration. Paid time off can be transferred to the following year and must be used until June 30th the following year. Thank you for having time to learn more about Deel.